Hello and welcome to Audi Sligo, where we accept all years, makes and models for trading. On display, 2017 Audi A6, powered by a 2-litre TDI Ultra engine, 150 brake horsepower. SE model with 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in a striking tornado grey metallic with black full leather upholstery on your electrically adjustable heated seats with electric lumbar support for additional comfort. Vehicle comes with a very comprehensive Audi approved plus warranty, simple finance options and available for free nationwide delivery. Features include xenon headlamps, LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, single frame Audi signature grille. Vehicle is complemented with 18-inch multi-spoke alloys, colour-coded electric heated wing mirrors, chrome trim exterior, remote boot release, leather 4-spoke multi-function steering wheel, 4-zone climate controls with automatic air conditioning, keyless ignition, start-stop technology, satellite navigation, cruise control, retractable multimedia interface and much more. For further details, or to arrange a test drive, please call our sales team 071 911 5333.